One of the major reasons why improving the Democratic majority on the Hill and electing a Democratic president is important to progressives generally and the LGBT community specifically is the potential for vacancies on the Supreme Court to be filled. There are cases regarding marriage equality winding their way there. Both gay rights supporters and the far right are kind of wary of a decision coming down with the court's current composition. What do you think your role will be in judging nominees to the High Court?
That's one of the most important, obviously, issues that will be confronting whomever the next president of the United States is, and I certainly hope such person is a Democrat, whoever he or she may be. In fact, I think it's vitally important to our country. In terms of the Senate's role in confirming whomever may come before the Senate for nomination, or rather for approval during that process, I'd look to a candidate who stood by our Constitution. I mean, someone who basically respected the individual rights and freedoms that have made our democracy a society that was welcoming and tolerant of all peoples, without coming in with any rigid ideologies, one way or the other, social, liberal, other, conservative, otherwise. I think we need to have fair-minded jurists, because that's what a Supreme Court justice is, a jurist, someone who can make a decision, can weigh facts, and make an informed decision. And we have some good members on the Supreme Court. And then we have some real kind of far out of field folks like Justice Scalia and Justice Thomas, who, and of late, unfortunately, Justice Alito, and I'm afraid Justice Roberts, who seem to have brought preconceived, very rigid personal viewpoints into the judgment process they go to in making decisions before the court. A court composed of reasonable jurists, men and women, who do the right thing, who listen to their hearts, who look to the law, and who are blind to special interest and the cacophony of voices that are pressuring them from the right and from the left and from the middle to make movement that is contrary to the precepts that are set forth by our founding fathers in the Constitution.